Hey folks, this is Jeff with the Junkyard Kid channel, and guess what? We got another Edsel down here to do some disassembly on. Gonna have this young fellow helping out. Happens to be my grandson. Anyways, just kind of give you a little look over. Gonna get the engine transmission out. I actually have the complete power steering setup sold in this car, from this car, so that's why I got it down here. Chose to pull it apart. Meantime, we'll get the engine and transmission out. Maybe this one will have a good pair of exhaust manifolds. I need one for sure on that Bermuda we're working on. And I just figured I'd show it off a little bit because, don't hate me, but this is a really solid car. So if anybody is looking for some pieces, or maybe they're got a four-door hardtop they're working on that's just kind of crusty, need a whole different body shell, here would be a good opportunity. California black plate car. That explains why this hasn't got a whole bunch of rust, because they didn't have, well, California, unless you get in the northern part, you don't have hardly any snow. So it ain't up like in the northern areas of the country like Minnesota, Wisconsin and stuff that salt the roads and these cars just get absolutely destroyed. And in true fashion of my dad, since that's where most of this stuff come from, it's crammed full of parts. We got all kinds of bits and pieces laying in here. 59 Edsel doors. These are the fender wells from this car, but just kind of showing it off. The light green color is called ice green. The darker green slips my mind at the point, but kind of neat to imagine what this thing would have looked like when it was new and fresh, because there is a bit of metallic to this green. It's really hard to tell and see now because it's faded, but the darker green had a bit of metallic, and just a pretty sharp little car back in the day. So another one's, well, this one's already kind of bit the dust, but like I said, anybody looking for some decent body pieces for a 58-footer hardtop of the Ranger Pacer series, hit me up. Talk to y'all later.